Signing into your YouTube account on a smart TV is simple, fast, and only takes a few steps. Instead of typing your email and password with a remote, YouTube uses a secure activation code system to make the login process easy. Here's the clean, step-by-step guide. Start by opening the YouTube app on your smart TV or streaming device. In the left side menu, scroll up until you see your profile icon. Select it, then choose Sign In. Your TV will now display a unique login code, usually 6 to 8 characters long. Leave this screen open. Next, grab your phone or computer and open a browser. Go to youtube.com/startsignin with your Google account, the same one you use for YouTube. Once logged in, enter the code shown on your TV screen and click Next. Confirm that you want to connect the device. Within a few seconds, your TV will refresh and automatically log you into your YouTube account. All your subscriptions, playlists, watch history, and recommendations will sync instantly. If the code doesn't work, select Try Again on your TV to generate a new one. Also, make sure you aren't using a VPN, since it can sometimes block the activation process. Once signed in, you can enjoy personalized recommendations, access your playlists, and interact with videos just like on your phone or computer.